Hey guys, how's it going? You know who it is. Whoop whoop. Anyway, we're doing a thing of cooking with lighters, but this time we're cooking with a blowtorch. You guys all set? I am. So let's break out the torch. Let's tilt it just a hair. Like that. See the torch? Now, we got a Hostess snowball. Let's do it. Yeah. Cook that baby. Oh yeah. Look at that thing go. Ooh. Nice. Mmm. Coconut's cooking very well. I smell the marshmallow. Sweet. Got it. Whoa! Ow! It was the marshmallow holding it together. Let's see if we can fix it. Hold on. Torch is still going. Let's see this. Wow, what a mess. Hot marshmallow. Hot. Marshmallow everywhere. Hold on. We got it. Go down here. There we go. Marshmallow. That was cooking with torches. Talk to you later, guys. Much call, love, whoop. That was good.